Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah and must be enjoying sound health. This is week 8 and we are going to cover lessons 15 and 16. Our today's discussion is about reader's adaptation, audience analysis, and some special stylistic issues in technical and business writing. The objectives of our discussions are to guide and train the students about reader's adaptation, audience definition, analysis, types and traits, guidelines about writing reports for the non-specialist audience, and certain special stylistic issues in technical and business writing. In week 7, we covered technical communication, that technical and scientific communication is all about science, technology and engineering. There is always a specific point of view and the writer is trained. We do use graphics, illustrations, diagrams, and we also analyze that how technical communication is important for the students plus the career development. The discussion were made in quite a length. Well, in coming to the point, what's a reader's adaptation? Reader's adaptation means to try to chisel down, try to come down at the level of your audience and accordingly communicating your technical and scientific subject matter is called reader's adaptation. In again simple language, reader's adaptation is a process of designing your report, speech, message, discussion according to the reader's attention and focus, needs and desires, so that the very reader must understand the concept, subject matter easily. I shared in one another language that computer, for example, is taught at all the levels in recent times. Students from the grade 6, 7, 9, 10th, they study computer, and computer is also taught at the PhD level. In both cases, do you feel that the the books, content, concept, teaching methodology is similar for both? Mean the examples, the subject matters, the level of discussion, all is similar. For example, the same level is for the PhDs and same level is for the matriculations? Of course not. For matriculation, for a matriculate student, the level matters because we understand that very student is at initial stage. He needs simple and basic ideas. Thereby you have seen that their books contains very simple concepts, diagrams, illustrations, sentence structures, examples, exercises, whereas the books written for the MPhil and PhD students, they are highly specialized, key term brimmed with the key terms, fine. They talk about the advanced theories and concepts, clear, and mostly they talk about law and other things. So, reader's adaptation is the basic thing if we want to get success. Similarly, your teachers teaching you at BIT, for example, Dr. Muni, Dr. Zishan, Director Saab, and other people, they also teach to the PhD level students. But do they follow examples, concepts, words, definition, theories, similar for both for MPhil students and for in first semester students? Of course not. To give idea, to launch a concept correctly for the first grade students, the teachers come down to the level of those students. They use the first, they simply introduce the subject matter. They use simple examples, simple definitions. Clear? Listen to your questions. Fine. Give you very easy exercises. This is called reader's adaptation. But same methodology, same content, same style of teaching is not applicable, not approved for the students of PhD and other students. You got this? That reader's adaptation is very important. In reader's adaptation, the very first thing we have to understand is audience analysis. The very first thing is audience analysis. Well, what is an audience? To forge into, we have to understand that what is an audience. Let's read. The term audience is a comprehensive term applied to an individual, persons, groups, departments, and etc., whom you intend to interact, communicate verbally or non-verbally, writing a letter, delivering a speech, or you intend to share some scientific information are called your potential readers or your audience. In simple words, audience means the persons, people, departments, individuals for whom you are writing, for whom you are speaking, for whom you are delivering a speech, for whom you are preparing an or advertisement. They're called audience. For example, this moment I'm recording this video for your understanding, for the students of MCS, so that they may get to know about the scientific and technical and business writing. You are my audience. Clear? You are my audience. And reader's adaptation mean that I should use simple words, type these headings, make the words bullet, highlight the important points, speak in easiest manner, give very simple examples so that you may understand me clearly. This is my purpose. Fine. So you are my audience and my purpose is to communicate my idea. So an audience include range of things. They may be individuals, persons, groups, departments, and much more. And the word adapt means to meet the needs, interests, and background of the reader. If one doesn't follow these rules of reader's adaptation and audience analysis, he won't be a successful communicator. He won't be a successful teacher because people just want to listen you, read you if they need, if they have interest, and furthermore, if they have the background understanding about your topic. Fine. So, in precise, to understand the topic, we must, whatever you want to speak, write, express, design, you must understand what is the topic. Number two, what is the need of your, who is your audience, need and style. They make your communication the best. I hope that you have all understood this. Thank you very much.